welcome to my YouTube channels. Hello from Kolkata. Hi, I'm Megha Rosario Yadav. So today the topic is color wheel. तो आप लोग ज़रूर सोच रहे हो कि कलर व्हील क्या है. जो लोग बहुत ही न्यू है, बिगिनर है, तो उन लोगों के लिए ये नया टॉपिक ही रहेगा. एंड जो लोग जानते हैं तो इट्स ओके, दे कैन डू एनीथिंग. सो कलर व्हील है क्या? व्हील है जो चरखा बोलते हैं ना, व्हील ऐसे राउंड होता है, वही हम लोग व्हील बोलते हैं, जैसे कार व्हील होता है. बट यहाँ पे कलर व्हील बहुत ही डिफरेंट है एंड इट्स वेरी मच टोटल डिफरेंट. And it's very important in fashion fields. It's very much needed to all the designers. Okay, so without color wheel we can't do, or we can't combine the colors. So we need to know what is color wheel. So color wheel, in there you will get to learn about the primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. So primary colors, now what is primary colors? Primary colors is very easy. In school life also you will get to learn all these things, but in fashion it's very different. So primary color is a red, blue, yellow. And what is secondary? Secondary means that you have to mix up the colors. So how you have to mix up the primary colors, like red plus blue, okay, then yellow plus red, then yellow plus blue, like that. So we have to mix all the colors and it will come secondary colors, then it will come tertiary colors. So here I have done one color wheel for everyone that I am showing you. Here I have already completed one color wheel. See here, this is a red, but first of all you have to draw a circle. Now how will you draw a circle? Yeah, by the help of a compass, okay, the geometrical materials. And you can draw with a ball also that you will get from your kitchen. That is a very easy thing. Okay, so I have made this circle with my hand only, without any help. Okay, so those who are very expert, they can draw a circle in 1 minute, and those who are very new, they can take the help from a ball or by compass. So do a circle, make a circle, and take a middle of the circle. Okay, then after that you draw the line, one by one line you have to draw. At least 12 house must be there, 12 house. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So there is a red, then again red plus orange. Okay, this is a orange, orange plus yellow, and this is a yellow, yellow plus green, then again green, blue plus green, and this is a blue, then it is a blue plus violet, and this is a violet, and blue plus red, sorry, red plus violet. Okay, so in this way you have to learn a color wheel, and how I make this, and in what way I have mixed all the colors. And you will get to see all these things. I have made a video on this also, and please watch my video and really comment me and give more and more likes. And learn, if you learn a color wheel, you get to know about the colors also. Here you will learn about the primary, I told you, secondary and tertiaries. From these three colors you will get to learn a different shades. That topic will come later, but this is a very important. First you learn this, then the next video will come soon. So just see the video. Okay, thank you.